Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about K-1 visa packet. Literally, the one required to apply this application must be a US citizen who will bring their fiancé to the USA on K-1 visa. In my case, my husband, a US citizen, filed this form to bring me to the US. Then we married in the USA within 30 days of my arrival on K-1 Fiancé visa. This is a long process and there is so much work to do. My husband and I decided not to use a lawyer or attorney for the application process. I'm going to share how we organized our K-1 visa packet before sending it to the USCIS. Also, I'm going to share tips and a K-1 visa checklist that will help you prepare your documents. So, without further ado, let's get started. So guys, here is how we assembled the I-129F petition for alien application. We keep all the documents together using this clip. On the top of my cover letter, we attach two passport style photographs. One is the beneficiary and the other one is the petitioner. We also wrote our full name on the back to show which is the petitioner and which is the beneficiary. You may want to review Form I-129F photograph instructions. The photographs must be taken within 30 days of filling the petition. The size for passport style photographs must be sized 2 inch by 2 inch. Next, we include the I-129F fee. Please note the fee has changed in April 2024. Check the USCIS webpage for the up-to-date filing fee. The current fee to date, June 2024, for Form I-129F is $675. Every time you make a payment, ensure the amount is correct by checking the USCIS webpage. The fee can be made by check or credit card. In our case, we decided to pay via check. To be honest, I never paid via credit card or money order. We used a check, which is pretty simple and easy. This is how you pay by check. You can also take a look at the USCIS webpage for payment by check instruction. Then, we include the page with Form I-129F petition for alien K-1 visa. Our names are written here, petitioner and beneficiary. Then we include the cover letter. You might pause this video and feel free to use this template for your own application. I would like to comment on the table of contents on the cover letter. Yours may be different from the one shown. I will show you a checklist and note other documents you may need to add. K-1 Fiancé visa checklist. Number 1, filing fee. Number 2, G1145 e-notification form. Form I-129F completed and signed. Evidence of in-person meeting in the last 2 years. Evidence of ongoing relationship. 1 color passport style photograph of petitioner. 1 color passport style photograph of beneficiary. Letter of intent to marry written by petitioner. Letter of intent to marry written by beneficiary. Proof of US citizenship of the petitioner, at least 1. Copy of birth certificate. Copy of naturalization of citizenship certificate if applicable. Copy unexpired US passport. And the next is proof of legal termination of previous marriage if applicable. You have to provide a copy of divorce decree or copy of death certificate for prior spouse. Next, evidence of legal name change if applicable. Evidence to support an IMBRA waiver if applicable. Certified copies of court and police record. If the checklist item number 11, 12, 13, and 14 are applicable, then you need to add it to the table of content on your cover letter. Then, attach applicable copies to your application. Let's move on. We also include Form G1145 e-notification form. By filling out this form, the USCIS will notify you once they received your application. The notification will be sent via text message or email. The form is free and you can print it out from the USCIS webpage. Next, we include Form I-129F. Please make sure that you submit the up-to-date version of the form. And do not forget to sign the form and date the form. This is very important. If you do not completely fill out this petition or fail to submit required documents listed in the instruction, USCIS may deny your petition. See my YouTube channel, Our Immigration Journey, for a step-by-step guide to filling out Form I-129F. Please see the link in the description below. Next, we include Form I-129F supplements. Part 2, question 54 is in supplements. You will tell the circumstances of how you both met in person within a 2 years period of filing out this application. Feel free to use this form for your own application. Next, we include the proof of our relationship. This is how we organized the proof. We organized and presented the pictures by date. The places we visited together were listed along with the date. It looks neat, simple, organized, and easy to read. The first page are the pictures of when we met in person within the last 2 years. Pictures of me picking him up at the airport and trying a variety of Indonesian foods at the restaurants. The second page are pictures of us visiting my family. The third page are pictures of us visiting a museum and having meals with our Indonesian friends. The other page is the picture of the promise ring he gave me. That was a nice moment when he told everyone he wanted me to be his wife. After that, we started making plans for our wedding in the USA. The next page is a copy of his Indonesian entrance stamp on his passport. Also, hotel reservations and flight information is presented here. Then, we include the proof of ongoing relationship by attaching our video call. A family video call on Christmas is also presented. On this page, we attach the picture of flowers, birthday cards, packets, letters, etc. Moving on to the next documents, we include the letter of intent to marry within 90 days of US entry. One letter is written by the petitioner and the other one by the beneficiary. You may want to pause this video and use this as a template. Next, we include the proof of US citizenship of the petitioner. We use his birth certificate and a copy of his US passport. This is how we organized our application. We usually kept things simple and easy. We put them in an envelope and send it to USCIS. The mailing address can be found on the USCIS webpage. See I-129F Petition for Alien Fiancé. It can be sent by the US Postal Service or FedEx or UPS or DHL. We use the US Postal Service using a flat red envelope. Following are important tips to read before you submit your application to USCIS. Number 1. Read your K-1 Fiancé visa checklist. Make sure all documents are attached together with your application. Number 2. Make sure you pay the correct fee amount by checking the USCIS webpage. Number 3. Make sure you fill out the up-to-date version of the Form I-129F. Number 4. Make sure you sign and date the form. Note, this is done by petitioner. Number 5. Where to file? Go to the USCIS webpage I-129F Petition for Alien Fiancé for the correct address for your selected mailing provider. Number 6. Send copies only, not the originals. Number 7. Do your best and pray and hope the best for your immigration journey. So guys, that's all from me today. I hope this video is helpful and at least you will get some ideas on how to organize your K-1 visa application. Any question? please leave it in the comment section below. I will answer as many as I can. And again, I'm not an immigration lawyer or attorney. What I share here is based on my immigration journey experience. Thanks again for stopping by. Please subscribe to this channel to watch more videos about my immigration journey. I wish you the best of luck on your K-1 visa process and we'll see you again in the next one. Goodbye.